Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I don't know what it's going to be about. It's just going to be odd fucking sod bits, different bits here, there and everywhere, just like lifestyle and different things. I'm kind of obsessed with like Christmas, so there definitely will be a Christmas decorating video in November. And then I'll take you all along for my little shopping trips. And just like my day-to-day life, like a little vlog thing, because I make videos on Snapchat anyway, every day, just ranting and talking about what I'm doing in the day and what I'm doing in that current minute of the day. So I'm just gonna do it on my phone, on my camera, every single day, all day, every day, as I would on Snapchat. Let's get into the video. I kind of forgot to record this part yesterday, but let's get into the video. Go find Allen keys to take apart my bed because I want to move back to the waves today, because I need to be productive throughout next week with my coursework and just life in general, and I quite literally cannot be productive here because it's now 1:15. The bed has been fully dismantled. All the bits are down there. I've now got to empty that. Shall we go have a look at and see how many hangers we can raid? Because I have a strong feeling it's going to be fucking 0. Got about 5 empty hangers and then about another 5 hangers with coats and jackets on that I also need to take down. No matter how hard I look for the hangers that have been thrown away, they will not turn back up. Yet I spent about 20 quid on a shitload of hangers. However, I do know there's quite a few down at the waves in the wardrobe down at the waves, plus on the back of room 3 door. They don't need about 400 of them, they only need about 2. Turns out Stevie Boy is coming to get me in his van. Well, hopefully his van, hopefully he comes in his van. Okie dokie, quick update. I am currently putting up my bed, but hear me out. It can't go against this wall and go along here because this does not fit. It will quite literally be touching each other, which means I can't get to the other side of my room. So if I put it in here, I can then have my bedside cabinet there. Extension lead run nicely and tucked away and hidden up here where my TV's gonna go. And then when I want to watch TV, I can just slide. It's currently 3:15. I'm gonna be here all fucking night, aren't I? But it's alright, it's okay, because my system is pick something up, put it where it needs to go. Pretty much done now. I'm quite literally just putting my bed covers on my duvet. Quite literally almost there. Bed covers are actually on the bed now. This is how this side's looking, not that you can see much. And it doesn't look all that fun, but I promise you, this is quite adorable in here. This ain't the final reveal, but this is an update. Bed, gorgeous. That I need to find a plug for. This, the TV is kind of weak. Not anymore. This, adorable. That's my wax melter. It's got cherry something in it, I believe. Can't exactly remember the name, but that's not my issue. And then, yeah, I just got to give everything a quick wipe down, take all the shit that's not supposed to be in here. For example, this cloth, the screwdriver, that spray. And then I actually need to go back to the flat and go get all of my computer shit, which I will be doing. I'm going to walk back with my mod tray. I also need to go to the corner shop to go get tobacco. Otherwise, I'm not going to have a fag for the rest of tonight. I can't remember where I got, but yes, it's great so far. I need to take a tote bag, which, bearing in mind I've got shitloads. The fact that it's only like quite literally about 10 minutes past 6:30, there is a bat, bruv. There's a bat. Ugh, I said bruv. I look like a mess by the way. Still in my pyjamas, haven't got out of them all day. I will be having a shower later. So basically from tomorrow until whenever I give up, which will probably be Tuesday, I'm going to wake up at 6, do some schoolwork on my computer and everything up until like the normal time that I would wake up, and then crack on with the rest of my day. There we go, relit. But yeah, so that I'm starting that tomorrow. So I want energy drinks, I want water in my room. It's getting closer and closer to being dark at 4, which I love because I really love early dark evenings because I'm weird. I also prefer winter to summer. Controversial topic. But yeah, I quite literally cannot wait. It's my favourite time of the year. Not me fully just speaking to my phone whilst also walking past a man. It's actually got so much more darker since I left the fucking house. Good stuff. Now I'll put my flash on, but it's not strong enough. Just to top it all off, it's raining as well.